Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've prepared a duplicated smart object so you can edit non-destructively. Now start Perspective Warp. First, choose Edit Perspective Warp and click once to place the first quad. You want that quad to align with the nearest plane of the object. Think walls, windows, or vehicle sides, so drag corners to match perspective lines. Make sure edges snap to corners. If needed, zoom in to 100% for precise anchors. Once the initial plane matches, move to add the adjacent plane without losing alignment. Now define the second plane by clicking to create a neighboring quad and align the shared edge exactly with the first plane. You'll switch to layout mode to tweak grid lines and match the image's vanishing points. Do this because accurate grid alignment makes the warp realistic. Once your planes are defined, switch to warp mode to pull corners and edges until the object looks straight or correctly foreshortened. Make small nudges. Large jumps create distortions that are hard to fix later. Apply the warp and zoom to 100% to inspect seams and stretched pixels. This is where you correct tiny errors before committing. If gaps or odd repetitions appear, use content-aware fill or the clone stamp on a duplicate layer to repair them. The smart object keeps your original safe. If details look wrong, undo to the Smart Object state. Refine your layout grids and make more subtle adjustments. Precision in plane placement is the key to a natural result, so iterate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.